Let's be clear that making money is different from getting rich. Years ago, I talked to a friend who advertised himself as an online marketing guru. I had relentlessly researched YouTube and read numerous books attempting to decode the combination for building a successful online business and needed his advice. As I went through each point, my friend nodded in agreement. I imagined a nod since we were talking over the phone. I confessed that none of these tactics worked for me, at least not at the level that marketing gurus professed they would. I hoped he would guide me in the right direction or provide best practices for moving forward. He never offered me any solutions, and I persisted until I found my own way. Discover more by reading the new article, How Introverts Can Make Money Without Talking to Anyone, by clicking the link below.